Efootball 2026 best graphics settings for mid and low-end devices. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, open up the game. Then tap on extras at the top right corner. Then tap on game settings. Now simply tap on graphics. Then tap on player graphics. Now if you have a mid-end phone, simply select standard. But if you are using a low-end phone, simply select lowest. Again tap on stadium graphics. You can select standard for mid and low-end devices. Then go back. Then tap on frame rate. Now if you have a mid-end device, simply select 60. But if you have a low-end device, 30 should be enough for your game. Then tap on done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.